Do you want to make your form more dynamic, like hiding certain fields or maybe showing custom messages depending on how the form is filled? You can definitely do that using conditional logic. But usually, you need to learn how to configure all those rules. Or if you already know them, you need to apply them, which is tedious and takes time. Until now, using AI, you can describe your condition and let the AI do its magic. To do so, go to the AIO Forms Designer and click on this icon, and here you just need to describe your condition. For example, I have this form where I want to show this field only when this option is selected. To do it, I will open the AI and explain my condition, and the AI will create the condition for me. I can also click the Restore button if I didn't like what it created. So there is no risk in using it. This is a basic example, but you can do more complex ones like throw an error message on product when quantity is between 10 and 20, or weight is greater than 20. And that's it. As you can see, using AI can save a lot of time. And the best part is that it is very inexpensive or even free. For example, at the time of this recording, Gemini offers a free tier that you can use by just registering. You don't even need to use a credit card. And even without the free plan, it is really affordable. Just to give you an idea, using Gemini without the free plan, I could still do around 2,500 requests like these for less than $1.